Okay, right now we're going to join all those stuff for the bed. You see, this is the headboard A, this is the A right here. So first thing first, we're gonna start from the headboard, which is A here and B. So those three things start first. Okay, so all the tools are here. All the tools what we need is here. Screw here, wheel, and there's so many things here. Alright, let's get started. So our headboards over there and the rest of the things here, everything. Okay, that's it. Alright, so this is the final how it looks. I put the carpet under the bed because it has the wheel. It has the wheel entered. You see. So this is gonna be the the stopper like that. We have to put on the side this, and one more here. Can you put that? That's it. It's beautiful. See? Fantastic. Okay guys, so this is our final setups for now. Carpet, beds, nice chains. Thanks for watching guys. If you are new to channel, please subscribe, like it, share it. So this is the perfect size.